Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use blend mode for smoothies and soups on THERMOMIX TM7. Blend mode gradually increases the speed, so it's better for blending. You can blend a cold smoothie or a hot soup, and in order to use it you need to go to the mode selection button, then find blend. Now you will be able to set the time and the speed. The speed can be set up to 10 and down to 6. I'll do 6 for now, and I'll demonstrate. I'll just put the microphone to the mixing bowl to demonstrate how it changes the speed. Okay, let's try it. If you could hear, the beginning was speeding up gradually. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.